Folks, let's talk about the fan fidget from Nine Hands. Nine Hands has really been kind of kicking ass lately. I've really enjoyed some of their pieces that they've come out with, like the polished, almost like Chen Yu Guardian style fidget that they had. Is very cool. It sounds like the kids are having problems out there. What the hell is going on? Dan Brunner reviewed this one. It kind of piqued my interest because I had gotten the Lucky Ballad, which I'm only able to show you because the person that I selected in the giveaway still hasn't gotten back to me. So we may be doing a redraw here pretty soon. But let's compare these two. Let's check it out. There have been several of these fan-style fidgets in the past. Generally, they were magnetic, not mechanical. Give it a listen. It's not the smoothest, most satisfying mechanical I've ever heard. I think the Lucky Ballad is still tops for that. But let's take a look. Oh my God, they're being so noisy out there. Take a look at the inside of this thing. Here's the other thing too. Is there any way to standardize tools? Because oh my God. Here's the 3-year-old having a fit out there. Almost 3. So this is kind of wild to have to do this. But these little 3-pronged tools go in here. You gotta unscrew that. I'm gonna regret this, I think. Oi, oi, oi. There's a washer. Holy cow. And then this little Teflon ring with beads on it. And then you lift one off. Holy cow, I don't want to do this. Okay. I think I did it from the wrong side. Let's put that back in there. Let's put this right there. Oh shit. Oh shit. No shit. Oh my God, I regret. There she is. So it goes ball and spring. Okay. Then it goes washer. Jesus Christ. Screaming out there. Then it goes rolly ring. Then, hold on. Then we take the mechanical side. I think. Press that in there. What the hell? This has got to be the middle piece right here. Right? Oh my God, I regret this so much. So that goes, okay, that goes there. Then washer. Then little rotating thing. Spring ball. Okay. Then we cap it off with one last piece of fan. One 2 washers, it looks like. And 1 thing like that. I've got 1 washer and 1 ball thing for the back. Another washer, oh my god. Then you put that through. Gotta hold it all together. Flip her over. And obviously the takeaway here is never take this thing apart. Because wowzers. Okay, 2 washers. There's another washer over there. That thing. This thing. Another washer. And then this piece. And then you get a... Good Lord. That just seems really complicated for... Oh no, and it doesn't feel right. God damn it. And it only goes one way. So I think it doesn't feel right because I tighten this too much. You gotta leave a little bit of slack. There we go. Right? So, wow. Okay. Not for me. If you're looking for something like this that's maybe worthy of the time to take apart, I think this is better. But I would definitely watch, and I haven't yet, watched the whole thing of Dan Brunner's video on this 9-hands fan. So now I'm going to go watch it and figure out maybe what he did to really make this piece sing, because I know he likes it a lot. So in terms of taking apart, that's pretty daunting, really. It's not particularly difficult. It's just a little overwhelming to open it up and find that there's all these washers and little rolling plates, and that's kind of wild. And it stops one way, so the Lucky Ballad kind of fans out in both directions. So yeah, I don't know. 9-hands fan, not for me. But that's all. Thanks.